Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to resize a PDF to 30 into 42 ratio. Open your PDF file. Now select organize option and select here resize option, and you can resize custom layer. Select here inch 30 into 42 and select here all page and simply select OK. And this is faster. And second is select this standard option and click this down arrow and scroll at last. Here you will find this 30 into 42 and simply select OK. And see this RPDF file now convert to 30 into 42 ratio. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.